What flag is this?
This is Biafran flag.
Okay.
The people that are agitating to come out of Nigeria because Nigeria is the most corrupt country in the world. And these people you see over there, just on Monday, the embassy is over there. They were collecting £50 each person to come and stand in solidarity with a man that has been killing people in Nigeria. The Muslims are taking over Nigeria, and yet the British government did not find it possible to make sure that Nigeria is divided. Nigeria is more than 50 nationalities in Nigeria, and yet they keep, I'm telling you.
What's your nationality? What is
my
Biafra?
nationality is Biafran. We fought the war against Nigeria in 1967 to 1970. We fought them for three years to get our country, and they refused us to get our country. In 1970, the British government, what's his name?
It's a Biafra.
I forgot his name. 1967.
Yeah. Is a Biafra part of Nigeria or?
We're eastern part of Nigeria. We're not part of Nigeria. We refuse to be part of Nigeria.
It's your right to agitate, and it's also my right to agitate. Even your wife has the right to agitate, including your sons and daughters have the right to agitate. Even your village people have the right to agitate. Do you understand me? But on the process of your own agitation, as only Igbo, don't allow it to lead to this. And if is your fundamental human right to agitate. As far as in Nigeria, because the government are not doing the needful. Had it been Namanagana Babialo or Bidifu steady electricity, now for good road, our hospital are functioning, our educational system are functioning properly, no strike. Do you understand me? No fuel scarcity, steady electricity. Do you understand me? We have all the necessary things for us to, strive as a people. I am an equal agitation of Biafra today. But why we are agitating for Biafra today is because our government and our politicians are not doing the needful. That is the simple truth. But in the process of you as only agitating for this Biafra, one more, don't allow it to lead to this thing that you are seeing here. If I ask Toto, ebe ndị Igbo na-azụ afịa, imagine na ihe a bụ village gị. Imagine na ebe a kịta bụ nkwọ bụ unu. Imagine na ebe a kịta na-abụ dati eke bụ unu ahụ, dati oye bụ unu, oye agụ abaga, nkwụ Igbo ukwu, no atọn one other like this. Imagine na dati otu nkwọ Ọnịcha, na atọn ọnụ anyanwụ nkwọ Ọnịcha bụ market, ọ dị like this, kete ya na-afụ na video ma. Do you understand me? Ndị Igbo si na onye oji na ji onwe, mana onye ahụ eji na ọnya ka isi ebu aja. Ihe anọ ka mụ na gị na-aba na agba onwe anyị home goal. Ife a bụ ife a na-akpọ self-destruction. Yes, you are right to agitate because the government are not doing the right thing. Anyị enwere steady electricity, anyị enwere running water, anyị enwere ezigbo ụzọ. Basic need of life. Only the governors say and politicians say to provide you and I. So all right, to call be agitated. Even in my family itself, has the right to agitate. But to Nagiman MZ agitation, agitated that no with other people know around you. Get happy in fridge and at their own right. Get up here, but on a village, be doing chase send them one away. Imagine open a government of Anibo, a stop about Ifa and Amen. Each and Ifa and we 2 days I sit at home every Monday. Now one day, and I'm a gap tapanafia at all. Nana Zobiafra. The tree in Oketa to Lafia Gabata, Namamakita, Sena, natural Ziphone open a market. Tigeti, Sheba gap to the Monday, put out. Hey, bridge, every market in an Ibon, a factual Ziphone open and here. Until enweta Biafra. Kedu ife ga-abụ ife eti mụ na gị na-abụ? Ana m agwa gị nwa bụ onye Igbo nke bụ eziokwu. Any agitation ọbụla mụ na gị na-aba ama nganwu dramatically, stay away from it. Don't allow that your agitation ka mụ na gị na-agba onwe anyị home goal, ka mụ na gị na-ewetara onwe anyị self destruction. I'm telling you, that is my stand. I'm not against you for your own agitation, no, but do it in a proper way, diplomatically, politically, negotiation, dialogue. Mana away from armed struggle, stay away from it. Onwere ebe ọ ga-eduje mụ na gị na-abụbụ onye Igbo. Instead, ọ ga na-akpa anyị every now and then. I'm telling you. Kenekwenu m unu ụmụnne m. But don't forget that is your own right to agitate, or your own fundamental human right ka ọ bụ. Nobody should take that away from you. But to stay away from ụdị nke a, ịghọtago? Ka emesịa.